guys, I'm back with the Gel Polish Mani. So I've already applied one coat of UNT Peel Off Base Coat and applied Nail Reserves the base gel polish and cured for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So we're going to go ahead and get into this application. We're going to be using the colors Mind Doodles and Sparkle. So if you've seen the previous video, this is the part of a collection. I think it's Esto es Mio collection from Nail Reserve. So we're going to go ahead and get into this application. These polishes are a 30-second cure in a UV LED lamp, or LED lamp, let me say it that way. And as usual, you want to apply your gel polish in thin, even layers, and then clean up any excess on your skin with the nail brush and alcohol before curing. So with Nail Reserve, I do have a 50% off discount code that will be in the description box below. They also have a VIP membership program where you pay $29 a month and you receive a $29 credit, and it allows you to make gel polish purchases at a discounted rate. If not, you can select the pay-as-you-go option where you can apply my 50% off discount code. And so guys, just hang out with me while I do this gel polish application, and look how beautiful the shade of blue Mind Doodles is. That blue is so pretty. Reminds me of like a good ocean, clear ocean water. It just gives me all happy vibes, or a nice clear blue sky. How about that one? That's even better. So let's just get into it. So after curing that thin second coat, I'm going to go in and apply a coat of Nail Reserves the No Wipe Top Coat. This is a gel polish top coat that, you don't have to wipe the inhibition layer off after curing. After curing, you are good to go. Nails are nice and shiny. And so the reason why I'm going in with the top coat, I know you guys might be like, why are you leaving that ring finger white like that, or silvery white? I'm going to go in and apply a nail, or not a nail foil, nail foil to my ring finger. I had a floral nail foil that I kind of dug out of my drawer, and I was like, oh, this blue on this nail foil is absolutely perfect. So after curing for 30 seconds, I'm going to go in with some floral foils that I got from iGel Beauty, and I'm going in with Glitz and Glam and Accessories and Such transfer foil, and I'm going to apply that to my ring finger and cure for 60 seconds. Now with the foil, what I did off camera, I took a lint-free wipe and alcohol and wiped the back of the foil off. I didn't want any type of dust or anything like that. It's not required, but I felt like maybe that would help, because last time I used foils, it didn't turn out like I wanted it to. And so after curing, which I've already done that off camera, I'm just placing that floral foil in the middle of the nail, and I'm going to use a silicone tool just to rub the crap out of that nail foil to get the image to transfer to the nail. And you can see that middle flower with the blue. I thought that shade went perfect with the color of Mind Doodles. My daughter was like, oh, that looks like a little kid, until she saw the finished look. She's like, oh, that's really cute. And I was like, see there? Judge yourself and don't judge me. And so after I removed that, it transferred nice. I then apply another layer of the No Wipe Top Coat and cure for 30 seconds, and then I go in and apply some cuticle oil. So guys, if you found value, please like this video, hit that thumbs up, Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Really simple, mani, easy to do. And subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023. Why not? So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I appreciate you for watching. I will see you next time.